This is easy way to import your email list that you have on your notepad, our email sender. This is our email sender. And to import your email on this email sender, click contact because you are importing contact, which is your email list. Click group. You need to create a group. Here you are seeing good example of my group here. I have two CEOs, group name CEO, and only one group has contact on it. Last one don't have contact on it. I can even delete it. So this one have 166 email inside. If I open it, you can see all the email I have already import here. So how can you import new one? Click group again. Now I have to create new group that I want to import these large email addresses. I want to import these large email addresses. So create group, click add group. I have to name it. The email addresses is managers. You can name your own whatever it is. People you want to send message. This is a managers lead. I can make it managers lead. I have to click save. You can see here number one is managers lead, but it's zero contact. To import your contact inside this managers lead here, to import this contact on my notepad, this is on my notepad. First thing I need to do on my notepad, you can see how I structure my email on new line. Make sure all your email is on new line. At the top of this email, I have to write email on it, capital letter email. So this is the email header. Then I'm telling my email sender how I want to import email contact. So click save. Make sure you save it after you add email at the top. And here is the file name demo 6. So I will remember it. I have to go back to my sender and click this contact. You remember we create group, and when you create group you have to import your email list on the group. You can see the one I import before, 160 email contact on it. If I want to import new one, we import on this CEO, this managers I just create now. So click this view contact. When you click view contact, it's going to tell you create contact. Just click create contact. And here, I'm not trying to create manual. Manual is default, but I want to import. Click import contacts. And choose group. This is telling you choose group to store your contact on our system. So click group and select managers. And then you can now upload your contact list to your notepad here by clicking upload. And you can see this is the demo 6. I'm going to click demo 6, open, and it's going to load and tell me the headers here. However your email list is, whenever this things pop up here, this email header pop up, make sure you switch email, this email to email contact. Click drop down and scroll down to find email contact. Let me show you again. Before is default email, but you have to turn it to email contact because we are uploading email on a contact. Now we change it to contact, just click save and now submit. That is the way to import email list on our sender. If you want to do it again, if you are using email verification and you want to import email direct from email verification, log into your verification. This is my verification. Let me go to my listing. Oh, telling me to use password. This is my listing in here. You can see I verified email at the past. So 2000 email, I get 80, 7 valid email, and 125 invalid email. This is the reason why email verification is important. You can see what project I'm working on here. Let's say I want to import the just this 87 email addresses, valid email that I've already verified. What I have to do is click download and select deliverable email and click download. This file here, CSV file C7A555, we need to upload it on our email sender direct without structuring it or filtering the message out, or without even setting message on no line like this. We need to import this email we download from verification direct to sender. To do that, go to sender. And if you want to create group for it, go click group. And this here, you can see the manager's lead haven't arrived, is loading. That's why it's never appear. But before you finish, it's going to arrive and I'm going to show you that. I have to click group, new group for the email I just import, very valid email. I'm going to name this one valid email. So I save it, and valid email is also empty. So I have to click contact a view list and now create list again, import. So we need to choose a valid lead as a group where we choose to import the email from verification direct. Click upload. We're going to find this. This is it. This is the file we download from email verification. Open it. And the reason why I do this one is because verification show you a lot of headers. Though we don't need these headers, you can go ahead and choose switch email to email contact, and you can delete all these lines here, delete all of them, and leave email to email contact. And now click save and submit. And that is where. And what about if you want to export email from Extractor Direct? This Extractor, I'm not recommending you should import email from email Extractor Direct to email sender, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Reason why you shouldn't do this because invalid email is too much after you start email. So you need to use our email verification to make sure you verify these leads before you import it to our sender. To export these email addresses to our email sender, right click on your mouse on this center of the email and export CSV file to your computer. You can also name this one, uh, I'm going to name it invalid email because I never validate the email, invalid email. Though I'm not sending message, but just to show you how to import email direct from email extractor, click save. And this file, we need to import it on our email send again. Click group. As you can see here, all the email have arrived. The first email manager's lead have arrived, 406 email addresses. If I open it, you're going to see all the email addresses here. You can go to see all of them. Any email, anyone that respond to you, you copy the email and paste it here and search and turn it off. So they want, if you don't want to send person that you're already working with message. But this video is not for that. This video is how to import email. So I'm going to go back to group again. And you can see second one is a valid email is 87, and you can see all the email here. So if I go back again, I have to click, let me go contact, click group. Let's import a message to invalid email. So to do that, create group again. I'm going to name this one invalid email. This is the email I'm exporting from email extractor direct. Save it. Now we have invalid email. So click show contact, view contact is 0. So create contact and click export. We need to click import. We need to import this email to invalid email. So to do that, click upload again. So we need to find the email we export from email extractor. Click download. We can find that file on download. I'm going to click download or click home so we can go scroll all the way to down to find invalid email list. This is it here, and open it. It's going to tell you what is inside here. Because we did not verify it, we have title here, we have phone number here, and we have email here. Just go ahead and switch the email same to email contact. Anywhere you see email, just switch it to email contact. Phone number, I'm not working with phone number, but I'm also going to leave it. I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to choose phone number. URL, I don't need the URL. Title, I don't need title. So I need, this is a phone number and email. I'm going to click save again and submit. So I hope this video teach you how to import email to our sender. Let me go back to my dashboard to show you where to click again. When you're on your dashboard, just go ahead and click contact. When you click contact, click group, and then you can see all the group of contact you have. Of course, when you finish working on a project, any contact list, group list you send message to, and you don't want to work with them again, you can always click delete here and make sure you delete it so that you will free our server. Whenever you send message out and you're not using it again, delete it. Do not keep it. Every week, we also delete users' email list so that our server is free. So when you come here, whenever you click group and you're on group, next thing just to click add group and name your group anything. If I want another one, I can do investors, and I name this one investors, and I save it. Investors group invalid email 0 is still loading too, and now I can click this investors view contact, and now I can create contact, and I can click import, select investors, and now upload contact. Maybe I will go with, let me find any email list to work with here. Download. I can go with, okay, this is it. Mm, Let me find another one. Another email list. There's email list I really need to send message to. So let me just type this, my list. This is my, okay, this one is large list. This one is a list verify now. Let's verify now. SNDP, my email list one. I can import this one. Bam. And it can show me that as email. I'm going to switch it to email contact again and save. Submit. You can go to group and check your data to know when they appear. You see the last two are import never show. The first two I import, they're already here. So let's say I want to send message to this managers here, or I want to send message to this valid email addresses here. To send message to these people, go to message. You can see message. You click message, choose to send email, and here go to group. This is where you select the group you want to send message. Click group, choose group. I can study this, and once you click this, it's going to drop down. I want to send message to valid email. You can see all the groups here. You can send double. If you want to send everybody together, you can add as many as you want here. Managers and the investors. If you want to close, you can always close group. I want to send message to only managers lead, or I can do valid lead only and delete managers. So I want to send message to only valid email address. So scroll down and choose gateway. I'm going to use SNTP. This SNTP is automatically set up for you once you purchase the service. Second here is a sender name, CEO. I'm the CEO of my company, and the reply to is where I would like them to reply my message. When they want to reply me, the message automatically take reply on this email I add here so that I can open the email and see who respond my message. Here I'm struggling. Here say struggling to get clients. We have the solution. Yes, we can help you. This is just demo for this tutorial case. So yes, we can help you get your own client, make it better. Reason why I'm composing this message for you to see how to send message. So reason why I come here to send message is because I want to show you how to send message to the group message you import by selecting group and selecting the group audience and select the group list you want to send message to. uh So let's go back and there's this. You can go ahead and click send, and right away the message you have sent to the investors group. So to the valid email, this is group. I send message. Go back to contacts and go to group. You can see the all my contacts is arrived already. Investors have come. Four messages email inside. You can see this only four email inside. And here, if I go back, you can see invalid email have arrived 103, and you can see here what is inside. So when you import, you give it some 5 minutes to 3 or 5 seconds, depending on the email you importing. And here you can always choose to quick view. You can view somebody contacts and when you contacted them, and when you upload the contacts or some details, you can turn off if you don't want to send message to this guy. You can turn it on. Secondly, you can edit by clicking this. You can edit the contacts as many as you want. So that is it. I hope this video help you now, teach you how to import contact and send message to contact. So of course, to send message to single user is much easier. Everybody know that when you go to email sender, this is single user. Enter your email address, should get to SNTP, and your CEO you reply to subject line compose message sent. How to send to group? This is group. This important, do not use it because if you use it, it's going to screw yourself. It's not really effective yet. It's not working yet. Never attempt to use it. It's not working. Do not try to import message and go ahead and send message direct. It's not working. So if you have any question, see you in comment section or DM me.